Hi everyone, I'm Mark Kropf. I work at Pivotal as a product manager for the Cloud Foundry Runtime Funtime team. And today we'll be talking about Pivotal Web Services. We call it PWs or PWs. It's our online public cloud. And I've got mine as Ignite style format for the slides, so you're going to see them flying by and I'll hopefully deliver you lunch on time. First off, we're open for business. 3 cents a gigabyte hour. You can host any app on any of the platforms we support running at runpivotal.io. Last year, we have seen an 8x increase in the size of an app you can push and upload to runpivotal.io. We're now supporting up to a gigabyte of data you can push up in your app to run. 35 successful prod deployments we've done in the last 9 months since we last talked to you. And to do that, we've gone through our pipeline of commits from the community, from inside of Pivotal, as well as changed to support the rest of the products in Cloud Foundry. Has gone through and been delivered 35 times. Of that, we've had 29,609 users perform over 700,000 app pushes. You'll see all of my numbers are not rounded because I think if we're truthful, we better get the real data. This is about 6 hours old, so you have to forgive me. Console has been redesigned. I think it looks amazing. Please check it out at runpivotal.io. You now have an org dashboard. You can see all the apps and stats of your org. In addition to that, we now have 2 new build packs that are supported running in prod, one of which is the Golang build pack, which is pretty cool. And recently, partnering with IBM, we've got the Liberty for Java build pack up and running in prod. In the very near future, the team's actually working on it. I've seen it work. We have a PHP build pack and a Python build pack that should be ready to fly here very soon. And we have 11 new services launched just in the last 9 months that's active in our marketplace. You can see a bunch there. In the last 9 months, we've learned a lot of lessons. Sometimes more than one AWS AZ goes down at a time, and this is what it looks like. We've learned to add robustness to Cloud Foundry. We've now removed all the SPOFs in Cloud Foundry, and we have many layers of availability. Yes, that is 1.5 billion server log lines are produced every 2 weeks in PWS, and it consumes over a terabyte of disk. This is a lot of data, but this is the data we go through to assure that we're catching everything that's going on in the platform. And we've also learned that some Bitcoin miners find 0.003 cents per month per app instance worth it to mine on Cloud Foundry. And it's taught us a lot about how to do better isolation and demarcation of different instances. Some things that we're bringing soon to PWs is Ubuntu Trusty 14.04 support with the new stem cells and new rootfs. We're really excited about getting Cloud Foundry for the first time in many years to a modern operating system, so that's coming soon. As well as the Dago project. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about what we're doing there, rewriting the DEA in Go, as well as re-engineering and architecting how we do application execution. So that's coming up very soon. In addition to that, we have .NET application support. We're partnering with our friends at CenturyLink, and we're really excited to get real .NET support in Cloud Foundry and bring that to runpivotal.io at some point. As well, it was brought up in some prior presentations, but we're going to have support for Docker, so you can push Docker files and have them backed by Docker. Also coming soon is auto-scaling. This is really fun. You'll be able to purchase just enough capacity and let your app auto-scale as more scale is needed for your app. Additionally, we have a new console space dashboard, a new app dashboard, and many other new features in the console is coming in a complete redesign coming soon to runpivotal.io. And that was my lightning talk. Thank you, everyone. You can follow me on Twitter at @MarkKropf, and thank you for attending.